found a scrap of fluorescent light fixture. It was kind of smelling. So I'm a scrapper. Most people take and throw this in with a whole load, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to pull the ballaster out, cut the wire off, and start saving that stuff up. Now, I've done this a few times before, kind of know what to do, but I'm going to break these ends off now. I could do it later. Okay. And then I'm taking the ballaster off now, well, I'll show you inside instead. What I'm going to try to do is get some copper. Okay, now this is a cheap one. I think it's just going to pop open. Yep, that's right. Yeah. Okay. That's metal. Now, what I want to do is get the most copper out of everything. Okay, now that's the ballaster, and I wasn't going to be able to take it off the front because there's a nut, see what I mean? We'll take that off. Now we're going to get close to copper rate for this transformer. You might call it something different, but it's a ballaster, depends who you're talking to. And I save these up in 5-gallon buckets, and I take them when I get quite a bit. I don't just take one down there. So you can do the same thing. Like I say, in the wintertime when you need some money, you keep some of this stuff. Well, anyway, it's up to you what you do. Okay, this is worth nothing, basically. Now, you see I left the cord in there? Reason why is I want to get the max out of this. So if you leave wire nuts on there or any kind of ends, you're not going to get a good price. So I'm cleaning it up. Now even this here, I save old plugs and light switches. Okay, that's the first thing I'm saving. Now look, I pulled it off. There's a knot there, and I'm going to get the extension cord off. That's what I'm after. Now, some people save this, but I take it off because I'm saving up clean copper, and I've done this plenty of times. So there's the copper, and there's, like I say, 5 minutes, not even, maybe. Okay, well, I wasn't too careful. And then I'm going to save this part here. Okay, here's what I got. I got some copper wire, and I save that up. I got the steel. I got the ballaster, that goes in a separate bucket. And these 3 pieces, there's brass and or copper in there. You can go to the extra trouble of breaking it down. You know how I love to use my hammer. But that Bakelite's worth nothing. Now see, look what I pulled out of here. These 2 go in my brass bucket. And I might as well pop them off here. Okay, this one goes in the brass. And as you see, one of them flew off someplace. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching. That's the way to make 10 times the money on that piece of metal. You get copper, brass, you get a ballaster. Greg's making money!